how you can see your laptops or your PC's model. Now before I start, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our future videos. Now let us just start. First, go to your start menu, and after you go to your start menu, search for system information. Now this is the one right here. Tap on system information, and there you will see your hardware resources, components, software environments, and so much more. And right here under your system model, as you can see right here, this part says your system model. It even says your system's manufacturer, your system type, your system SKU, and so much more. It gives full detail about your system, and that is how you check your system's model, guys. Thank you for watching. This is all for the video, and if you're new to our channel, as I said, just go down below and hit the subscribe button. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.